Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today's video is going to be a new video as part of my spring cleaning series going on my channel. If you are new here, I have a new series going on my channel where I'm going through my house room by room and spring cleaning and deep cleaning each room. So I am uploading new content weekly for this. So I'll have the playlist linked down below, or at the end of this video, you can definitely check out the other videos or the other rooms that I've done. I hope you guys are enjoying spring cleaning as much as I am. It feels so good. So today I am tackling easily the scariest room in the house. This is our playroom. I am giving my daughter a free pass. She got a free pass from mom, and I am tackling it today. We had a very long talk about how she needs to be a little bit more responsible with her playroom and her toys, and we are not going to let it get this bad this time. She is going to have to step up and start taking control of her messes. I've talked about it before on my channel, and I'm wondering if any of you with little ones can relate or have the same thing. Evelyn loves to help with other people's messes. She loves to do the dishes, she loves to vacuum, and she loves to mop. But if it's her mess, like a playroom, she is not interested. So I'm not sure if I should just be happy and take it where I can get it, or, I don't know. I don't know what to do with her. But she is not going to let it get this bad next time, believe me. So today, I'm going to get in there. I am going through the room, keeping my KonMari method in mind, and really going to try my hardest to declutter, just really be mindful of what we're keeping in the space, and that's what I'm doing. Unfortunately, a lot of the video is what you are looking at right now, which is just me sitting on the floor, just trying to make some sense of this madness. I did film it over 2 days. So the first day I did all of my decluttering, and the second day is when I actually got in there and started cleaning, like doing the windows, washing the walls, that sort of thing. You will see my cat popping in and out of this video. I had to remove her a couple times. She does like to eat a lot of Evelyn's toys, a lot of the little plastic shoes and stuff like that. So I definitely had to make sure she wasn't doing that. So I'm going to let some music play, and then I'll pop back at the end of this video to do an outro.
Stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget. I can never shake you off. You're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off. to the land I know I can be alone. Take me away, it is our faith in the dreams I made. We'll go far away, no, no, no. Don't make me say no, no, no. We'll go far away, no, no, no. Don't make me stay. We can shoot for the stars together. We can make it last forever. Oh, 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 oh. We wanna see the moon and planets. Wanna make it last forever. Oh, 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 oh. We'll go far away, no, no, no. Don't make me say no, no, no. We'll go far away, no, no, no. Don't make me stay.
Take me higher, off the ground. We're on fire, but I need you now. Take me higher, off the ground. We're on fire, but I need you now. But I need you now.
Okay, guys, so that wraps it up. I am so sorry that I did not mop in here. My mop actually broke. I was so upset, but I have a Rubbermaid spray mop, a microfiber spray mop. I've had it for years, and I love that mop so much. But it broke, and like the handle to like spray the cleaning fluid onto the floor, it is kaput. So I really need to buy a new mop. So for the time being, I just did a really thorough vacuum in there. We very rarely wear our shoes in the playroom, so that's kind of how I talked myself into it was okay not to mop in there. But I really am going to do that once I get a new mop. So that wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you. And also, let me know your favorite mops down in the comments. I am so torn on whether I want to buy another microfiber spray mop or I want to buy the new O-Cedar spin mop. Let me know what you guys think. So right now, I'm just going to put everything back into the room and I will give you guys kind of like the final tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you a part of my little YouTube family, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. I love you guys forever, and I will see you next time.